These are the type of things that we are doing. It's a single platform. You may have engaged with a lot of WhatsApp services, but there is always a different bot. For everything, you have to send to a different number. Here, we have done a very, very complex architecture where many departments, every single service is on a single phone number. So the citizens don't need to store or record too many numbers, just a single number on which they can connect with WhatsApp. It is very citizen-centric, where the citizen has been kept at the center, where what he needs is how the bot will work. And like the Honorable Minister said, this is the first step where it's more menu-based. Tomorrow as in the next few months, we'll launch an AI-based service where he can just speak and say, I want to book a ticket from here to here, and the bot will just make it work. The way citizens today communicate and engage with businesses is how we will make it happen eventually for this service to work. This is phase 1, but many more things will come. Let me give you a sneak preview of what all we have covered in phase 1. These are the 6 departments across the 161 services that we have covered in phase 1. Energy, where any citizen can pay any electricity bill on WhatsApp within a few clicks, including getting the bill, getting the reminder, making the payment natively within WhatsApp, so everything can be done in WhatsApp and the service can be delivered. All the 3 energy departments of the state are integrated in a single platform, so you can be a part of any of the 3 energy departments and it will be a single experience that you can do. You can pay your electricity bills. APSRTC, the bus ticket, as you know, in India, people have to face different weathers. Either you stand in queue in hot temperature of 45 degrees centigrade, or it's pouring rains, you stand in a queue to buy tickets. How about you just booking on ticket on WhatsApp and just boarding the bus? You don't need to wait in any queues. And you have seen in many other states, people stand in queues for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. We live in Delhi, like metro tickets, we have seen the rush. Today there is no rush, you can just board the train. You just book the ticket, you get the QR code and board the train. We have brought that service here. Temple, Andhra Pradesh is known for all the temples, the world famous temples the state has. So many services, darshana services, donation services. We brought all of them in a single bot where you can, any citizen anywhere in the world can actually use that service to create a donation for any temple in the state. Or you can book your services and you can book entry tickets and things like that. Grievances is the big thing where citizens have a lot of issues they face. How do you make it easy for them to know what is the status of their grievance? So today they can file a complaint, and through WhatsApp they will be constantly updated on where is the status of that complaint and what is going to happen. Today we all have many things that we need as documents like certificates, marriage certificate, birth certificate, family certificate, other state certificates. It is very complex experience to get a certificate delivered when we need it. Either you have to go to a department, fill an application form and take it, or you have to go to website, but many people don't understand technology. How about just sending a hi on WhatsApp and getting that certificate in less than a minute? So a lot of these certificates are now enabled on WhatsApp. Any citizen anywhere in the world can access, and obviously anywhere in Andhra Pradesh can access that certificate. And then all the municipal services where you want to know the status of your application, you want to know the status for your property application, property tax, water bill, sewerage bill, all of those services are now enabled in a single form. Everything is just on a single menu-driven experience. I'll show some small visuals to you. This is how the temple services would look. You just go and say hi, you choose temple services, you get the list of the 7 temples, you choose the temple, you choose the service, and just pay the bill, pay the money, and the service is booked. It takes less than 1 minute to actually do it as a temple service. Similarly, if you look at the citizen services, other services in grievances, very menu-driven, very intuitive. You don't need to type anything long, you don't need to be very educated. It is very intuitive, very visual-oriented. You see by pictures and you will know that you can do this. And we said we will bring AI, so even then you can speak and you will be able to do service. You don't even need to know reading and writing. You can just talk like you talk on phone and you'll be able to do that services on the bot. So some of the examples, let me show you actually a video of the bot which will give you the full visual of how the whole experience will look. saw how easy it was, and first time you may need to enter your details and Aadhaar card verification. Next time it will pre-identify you. You don't even need to put your details. It will just say, okay, how many people you want to book, and you can just book it. And as we keep adding more services, it will make it very, very intuitive. You saw the visual. It was very different than the normal WhatsApp where you have to send hi and then somebody responds and this thing. This is very menu driven, so that it's very easy to choose a date, choose a time. In bus cases, you can choose a seat, things like that. So it is very, very simple to use. That's how we are building the platform, evolving platform. I would invite, like we've said, on a single number, 150 services. I would invite all of you to try this service, give us feedback. My honest submission, it's very early days, we are still learning, so we will be welcoming your feedback and we'll continuously look at improving the service and hoping to make this a world-class governance services where every citizen in Andhra can benefit with what we are building today. Thank you very much.
ఇప్పుడు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రజలకు అందుబాటులోకి వచ్చింది